a continuation to measures of central tendency. Second type is median. Median of a series is the size of that item of the series which occupies the central position of the series when the items are arranged in ascending or descending order of their magnitude. Median is, we can simply say that median is the middlemost item in an arranged series. The data should be arranged either in ascending order or in descending order. Therefore, the number of items greater than median is equal to number of items less than median. Similar to mean, here also we can look at how to calculate median for individual series, discrete series and continuous series. For individual series, median is equal to size of small letter n plus 1 by 2th item in the arranged series. It is very important the data should be arranged. Okay. When n is even number, then there are two middle items, take the average of them. Okay, when we are finding if n is an even number, let us take 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 by 2, 2.5. So, second item and third item. So, second position there is an item, third position there is an item. Now, there is a position called 2.5. So, we need to take the average of second and third position. You can look at one question. Calculate median. The data set is given like that and we are arranging the data in ascending order. Arranging the data in ascending order. I always prefer arrange the data in ascending order. Okay. So, 23, 35, 40, 45, 50, 52, 61, once again there is a 61, 80, 90 and 92. This is the arranged data. So, median is equal to size of small letter n plus 1 by 2th item. Here n is equal to 11. Okay. N is equal to 11. So, size of 11 plus 1 by 2th item. 11 plus 1 is 12, 12 by 2 6. So, median equal to size of 6th item. Which is the 6th item in this arranged series? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 52. So, median is equal to 52. Here n is an odd number. Now, we can look at an even number question. The same question I removed this 90. Okay. So, arranged data. Arranged data will be 23, 35, 40, 45, 50, 52, 61, 61, 80 and 92. Here n is equal to 10. Here n value is 10. So, median is equal to, first we need to write the equation size of n plus 1 by 2th item. Size of n plus 1 by 2th item, that is size of 10 plus 1 by 2th item. Which is 10 plus 1? 11. 11 by 2 equal to 5.5. So, there is two median values, 5th and 6th. Okay. Which is equal to size of 5.5th item. There is no item called 5.5, so we need to take the average of 5th and 6th. This is the 5th and this is the 6th. Please take the average of these two. Here two middle values. Here two middle items. So take the average. So median is equal to 50 plus 52 divided by 2, that is median equal to 51. Okay. Now we can look at how to find out median in discrete series. Equation size of capital N plus 1 by 2th item where capital N is equal to summation f, that is total of frequency. We can look at one problem. Here size and frequency is given. Size means x values, frequency is f. In order to find out median, we know if n plus 1 by 2, this n is summation f. Okay. So in order to find out median, we need to find out another set of frequency called CF. CF is cumulative frequency. CF is the cumulative frequency. We need to find out the cumulative frequencies of this set of values. Cumulative frequency of first is 3 itself. Second, this 3 plus 12. 15. 15 is obtained by 3 plus 12. Next, 15 plus 8. 23. It is obtained by 15 plus 8. Next, 23 plus 7. 30. 23 plus 7. Similarly, complete the cumulative frequency column. 30 plus 5. 35. 35 plus 4. 39. When we finding the capital N, it should always equal to this 39, or this 39 should be total of frequency. Okay. Then we are going to find out the median. Median is equal to equation, first write the equation, size of capital N plus 1 by 2th item. Here capital N is 39, that is size of 39 plus 1 by 2th item. 39 plus 1 equal to 40. 40 by 2 is 20th. So median is equal to size of 20th item. It is not equal to 20. It is the value of x which is in the 20th position when we are arranging the values. So how we find out the 20th position? Just go through the cumulative frequency column, find out the frequency which first include this 20. 3 there is no 20, 15 does not include 20, 23 it include 20. So give an arrow mark and write n plus 1 by 2. Okay. And x value corresponding to this. X value corresponding to this cumulative frequency, that is 10. This is our median. Therefore, median is equal to 10. Okay. Now we can look at how to find out median of continuous series. There is step, find cumulative frequency. Find n by 2, median class corresponding to the cumulative frequency which includes n by 2. Then after getting median class, find median using the interpolation formula. The formula is median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus Cf into C divided by F. The denominator is only for this time, not for L1, where L1 is equal to lower limit of median class, Cf cumulative frequency of the class just preceding the median class. Then F frequency of the median class, C class width of the median class. You need to mark that cumulative frequency is not for the median class, for the preceding class. Okay. You can look one problem. Question will be class and frequency. Okay. So we are going to find out the cumulative frequency. This is a question. I am just including the cumulative frequency in this question itself. I am writing the table. This is my class. This is frequency. Now I need to find out cumulative frequency also. Okay, cumulative frequency also. 8, 20. It will be like that. 8, 20, 40, 63, 81, 88 and 90. Then median is equal to size of n by 2th item. Actually median is in the position of n by 2. Here n is equal to 90. Okay, these two should be equal. N equal to 90. So n by 2 is equal to 45. Which cumulative frequency include first 45? 63. So n by 2 and this class 30 to 40. This is the median class. While finding n by 2, we will get a class only, not the exact value of x. So we need to find out the value of median from this class. Okay, the median should always a value in between 30 and 40. If we got a value outside this class, is not correct. The median should always a value in between 30 and 40. Okay. So we can find out median using the interpolation formula. Median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF into C divided by F, where L1 equal to lower limit of median class, which is the lower limit of 30 to 40 class, 30. So L1 equal to 30. Then n by 2, we know n by 2 equal to 45. CF is the cumulative frequency of the class just preceding the median class. This is the median class. Preceding class is 20 to 30. Its cumulative frequency, that is 40. CF equal to 40. Then F is the frequency of the median class, that is 23. And C is the class width of median class. Class width is usually found out by L2 minus L1, that is 40 minus 30. Class width is 10. Substitute these values in this equation. We will get 30 plus 45 minus 40 into 10 divided by 23. When we are solving this, we will get median as 32.17. Look at this, the value in between 30 to 40. Now we can look how to find out median of inclusive series. We discuss inclusive series in mean. Now we can find out median of inclusive series. Okay. So question marks. The inclusive series means upper limit of a class does not equal to lower limit of its succeeding class. Okay. So we need to make this inclusive into exclusive. What's the difference between upper limit of a class and lower limit of its succeeding class? 1. It's half 0.5. Subtract 0.5 from all the lower limit value and add 0.5 to all the upper limit value. So our class will be 10.5 to 15.5, 15.5 to 20.5, and similarly complete the class. And frequency column, the frequency is given in the question itself, and then find out the CF value. When completing the table will be look like this. Now what's the value of n here? N is equal to 129. Then n by 2 is equal to 129 divided by 2, that is 64.5. Find out which cumulative frequency includes 64.5, this one. Okay, here n by 2 equal to 64.5. So our median class is 30.5 to 35.5. This is its L1. Okay, this is its F. This is CF. Cumulative C equal to 35.5 minus 30.5. So median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF into C divided by F. So substitute the values. 30.5 plus 64.5 minus 56. Class interval is 30.5 minus 35.5, that is 5 divided by 35. When we are solving it, we will get median is equal to 31.7. Okay. Now we can look at how to find out median of cumulative series. And when always look whether the question is in ascending order. In this question, it was in ascending order itself. Look at this. So I write in the ascending order. Here also it is given in the ascending order. We always look. We always need to check that whether the question is in ascending order of magnitude. Okay. So class frequency, we need to find out the correct frequency for this question since it is a cumulative series. Give the word given as less than. Okay. So class means less than 10 means 0 to 10. So next class 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Less than 80, which means last class is 70 to 80, and we need to find out the correct frequency. For 0 to 10, the frequency is given in the question itself 15. 10 to 20, frequency of 10 is 15, 20 is 35. Just take the difference. 35 minus 15, that is 20. It is obtained by 35 minus 15. Okay, next 20 to 30, frequencies are 35 and 60. Just take the difference, that is 25. Similarly, complete the frequency column. Next 24, 12, 31, 71, and last frequency 52, that is 250 minus 198. Next column is cumulative frequency. How will we find out cumulative frequency? Cumulative frequency of the first class is 15 itself. Second, 15 plus 20, 35. 35 plus 25, 60. 60 plus 24, 84. 84 plus 12, 96. Plus 31, 127. Plus 71, 198. Plus 52, 250. Can you find anything? This cumulative frequency is the question. Number of occurs question, that is same will obtained in less than type only. Okay, it is not obtained in the greater than, it's obtained only in the, we can find this in the less than type series only. Okay, now we need to find the n by 2. N by 2 equal to 250 divided by 2, that is 125. It includes here. So n by 2, this is the median class, this is L1, this is F, this is CF. Okay, C is 60 minus 50, that is 10. So find out the median. Median is equal to, write the equation L1 plus n by 2 minus CF into C divided by F. So L1 is 50. 50 plus 125 minus 96 into 10 divided by 31. Okay. When we are solving it, we will get 59.35 as median. Similar for more than type also. This is for cumulative frequency less than type. The question is of more than type. That's only change finding the frequency. Okay, you need to find the frequency, then CF. Similar way, find the median. So two types, mean, median. Both are covered. Now we are going to discuss about the third measures of central tendency, that is mode. Mode is the value of the variable which occurs most frequently in a distribution, that is the most repeated one, that is the mode. For individual series, arrange the values in order, identify the value which occurs more number of times. If such a value get from the data, that is the mode. If any value which is repeating more number of times in a data set, that is the mode. If no such repetition, or when there is no item appears more number of times than others, in such cases mode is using the formula mode is equal to 3 into median minus 2 into mean. This is a very important formula. Mode is equal to 3 into median minus 2 into mean. We can find out mode of the given data set. Okay. Find the mode. First we need to arrange. The arrangement is done in order to find out whether if any data is repeating or not. Okay. So when I am arranging it, 23, 23, 28, 28, 35 is repeating 4 times, 35, 35, 35, 35, then 42 3 times, 42, 42, 42, 53, 62. Which numbers repeat more frequently? 35, which repeats 4 times. So 35 appears more number of times, therefore mode is equal to 35. If such repetition is not there, look at this question. Every data is repeating only one time. No such repetition is occurred here. So we are going to find mode using the formula mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean, 3 into median minus 2 into mean. So I am going to find out the mean and median of this data set. Mean is equal to summation x divided by n. I am adding all these value together and divide by total number of items. So summation x is 416 divided by 8. So I get mean as 52. Median is equal, in order to find out median, the data should be arranged. Arranged data will be, arranged data is 10, 25, 35, 40, 60, 75, 81 and 90. Okay. This is the arranged data. Median is equal to size of small letter n plus 1 by 2th item. Small letter n is equal to 8. Okay, 8 plus 1 9, 9 by 2 is 4.5, that is 4th and average of 4th and 5th. Average of these two values, that is 40 plus 60 divided by 2, which is equal to 50. So I got mean as 52 and median as 50. So mode is equal to 3 into 50 minus 2 into 52. that is mode is equal to 46. Okay, this is individual data type. Similarly, discrete and cumulative data set also we are finding mode using the interpolation formula. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. It's a question. Calculate mode marks 0 to 10, 0 to 20, 0 to 30, 0 to 40, 0 to 50, 0 to 60, 0 to 70. Is there any speciality in this question? Yes. This is in another way cumulative data series is given 0 to 10, 0 to 20, 0 to 30. Okay. In this way data is given. So we need to find out the correct frequency, and first we need to find out the mean, then median, then mode. So before that, class frequency. Class is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60 and 60 to 70. Frequency 3, 10, 15, 20, 12, 0, 10. Okay. In order to find out mean, what's the equation of mean? Mean is equal to summation fx divided by n. What we require? Summation of column total of fx, that is f into x. So f is here, we need to find out x, then fx. Okay. X is the mid value of the class. Complete the table. We are completing the table. The table look like this, and we got summation fx equal to 2430 and n equal to 70. Substitute here 2430 divided by 70. We will get mean equal to 34.71. And in order to find out median, we require cumulative frequency. Class frequency already here. I just include one more column, CF, and CF will be 3 plus 10, 13 plus 13 plus 15, 28, 28 plus 20, 48, then 60, 60, 70. This is the last column. I just find the cumulative frequency and include that column to the right hand side of the existing table. Okay. Cumulative frequency, and find the n by 2. N by 2 equal to 70 by 2, that is 35. 35 includes first here, and which is our median class. 30 to 40 is our median class. Its frequency is f. Cumulative frequency just preceding the median class, that is the CF. Then find out median. Median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF into C divided by F. So L1 value is 30, 30 plus 35 minus 28 into class interval is 10 divided by 20. By solving it, we will get median as 33.5. Then find mode using the interpolation formula. Mode is equal to 3 into median minus 2 into mean, that is 3 into 33.5 minus 2 into 34.71. By solving it, by substituting the values of median and mode in this equation, we will get value of mode as 31.08. I hope all of you understanding main three measures of central tendency, mean, median and mode, and different types of questions were discussed under this. Okay, thank you.